Do you know that you could get money for simply drawing lines on your phone? It sounds strange, right? Well, it actually isn't. You can just swipe on your phone and draw some lines and make some money. You could make like $5 per minute for simply drawing lines on your phone. Sounds great. Well, it's amazing because it's easy money and everyone can do this. If you're young, you can do this. If you're old, you can do this. It's very easy to do. You don't need any special skill to do this at all. And what I love about this is that this is available worldwide. It doesn't really matter where you're coming from. If you're in America, you can do this. South America, you can do this. Australia, you can do this. Europe, Africa, Asia, you can do this. So it doesn't really matter where you're coming from. All I need you to do is watch this video all the way to the end so that you don't miss any important step, because I'll be showing you exactly the procedure you need to take in order to make the money. Now, before I show you this video, please just subscribe to the AD Money channel right now. I would really appreciate that. Just click that red button right there, subscribe, and turn on all post notifications so that anytime I do have a new video, you'll be able to watch it immediately. Thank you, and let's get into it. So, the website is called People Per Hour. And yes, if you've already heard about People Per Hour, don't worry, this is something new. So just watch until the end, don't skip any part, because I'm going to show you something very unique. So the website is People Per Hour. So it's peopleperhour.com. So People Per Hour is basically a platform where people post their jobs. They want people to actually fulfill the jobs for them. So you're going to be a freelancer, which is basically someone that does the job that people want you to do for them, and they'll pay you to actually do the job. Now, before anything, definitely you'll need to sign up, which is absolutely free. So you just want to come over here, and of course you want to click on sign up. And the registration is free. You don't need to pay any money to do this. You can just sign up with your Facebook or sign up with your email. And definitely there are two options over here. There's I want to hire a freelancer, and there's I want to work as a freelancer. So you want to click on I want to work as a freelancer because you actually want to make the money. So you just choose the two options over here. Maybe you want to sign up with Facebook or with your email. And Facebook is always easier. It does everything for you quickly. But if you prefer signing up with your email, you can do that. Now, when you're on People Per Hour, you want to go over here and search. When you want to search projects. There's search freelancers and search projects. Because you want to make money, you want to search projects. So you want to click search projects. So over here, there's a list of projects where they'll be paying you. For example, you get paid $326, get paid $120, $40, $65, $100, $150, $30 per hour, $26, $10, $130, $11 per hour, $91, and so on and so forth. So it's a great platform to actually make money, and there are all kinds of jobs. So as you click over here, you'll see all categories. There's categories in admin, business support, creative arts, design, extraordinary, marketing and PR, mobile, search marketing, social media, software development, translation, tutorials, video, photo and audio, web development, writing. Well, if you're like me and you don't really know how to do web development, design or creative arts or admin, you don't know how to do maybe search marketing or tutorials, or you don't speak many languages to do translation. So what I want you to do is I want you to type something over here. It's background removal. So when you click on background removal, they're going to filter with all the available jobs that have to do with background removal. So for example, I need to remove objects from my background, and they're going to pay you $10. Background remover and touch-up pictures, they're going to pay you $100. So people are actually paying you just to remove the background of their images, and basically it's very easy to do because you don't need any skill. If you just watch this video to the end, I'm going to show you the method that you can actually do this very quickly. and it's not going to be so stressful. So just don't skip any part of the video, because I'm going to show you how you are actually going to do this and make money. So the website I want you to go to is called Clipping Magic. It's clippingmagic.com. So when you're on Clipping Magic, you're going to come to this page over here, as you can see, and then there's going to be, you can either drag the image here or upload the image. So let's, for example, search on Google for an image of, let's say, maybe a car, and let's save the image of maybe any car that we like and we want to remove. So for example, let's take, for example, which car should we take? Let's take this one. No. So you just want to choose any car. For example, this one looks awesome. It's an Audi. Let's just save that car, and we want to actually remove the image from that car. So we've saved that. So we want to go over here and we want to upload that image. So when you click over here, you just want to select the image you've just downloaded, which is this one over here, and wait for it to upload. So as you can see, it's uploading, and here we are. So now there are two buttons I want to show you here. There's the green and there's the red. The green is basically to indicate the parts that you actually want to keep. As you can see over here, they've roughly just shown the area that they've noticed that is mainly what they think that actually that's what you want. So basically that is that. But if you notice that they didn't actually capture every part of the car, you just want to use the green to just indicate maybe a certain aspect that you want them to actually take in. So the red simply means that you actually want to get rid of all these parts. You want to get rid of these. So basically green means, okay, as they're showing you an example of how it works over here. So green means keep this part, and the red means remove this part. So basically this is how you're just going to be drawing lines and basically indicating what you don't like over here. So roughly you just want to take some time and just draw the lines accurately according to how you want it. So this is just something that's fun that you can do extremely quickly and just remove the background immediately. It's very easy to do. So basically when you have that and you're satisfied with your image, you just want to save the image, and basically once you have saved your image, you just want to go back into the website of People Per Hour, and you actually just want to send it back to the worker that actually provided you the job. So they can pay you $10, some pay you $5. Now you can also make an advertisement on the website and tell them that you actually remove backgrounds, where you'll be you actually somebody who removes backgrounds, and you do it for $5. As you can see over here, somebody's doing it for $10. Somebody's going to pay you $10. So if you are somebody that says that you only charge $5, you're going to get a lot of customers. Now, one thing about this website is that you actually it actually comes with a watermark over here, and you have to pay. But there's also a free method, which I have shown in one of my videos before, where you can just use this website, which is actually called Remove BG. It's remove.bg. All you just want to do is you want to upload an image over here, and they're actually going to do the process for you. So if you haven't already watched my video concerning this website over here, just look for it and you will see how it works. It's very simple to do, and you can make big money from this. So this is just quickly what I want to show you guys today, that people are out there, they don't have time to remove backgrounds from images, and they just want to pay you to actually do this. So if you're bored and you just really don't have much time, you can just go on People Per Hour, sign up, it's free, and just, people are doing it. Even $100, $10 is something that is easy to do, where you can just go on the website I showed you, Clipping Magic, or you can just use Remove BG to actually do the work that you want to do. It's absolutely easy, and It's quick to do and you can do it on your phone as well. So I hope this helps you and you can make some money from this and maybe increase your bank account. I know some people are struggling financially, so this is an opportunity for you that you can actually do. So just comment down below your questions, comment down below which country you're coming from. I would appreciate that. Like this video, subscribe if you haven't already, and turn on all post notifications. And thank you so much for the support. I hope that people support you too as well. And just stay tuned for the next video, which will be very soon. And thank you so much for watching. Cheers.